A choice made in the name of safety and convenience is now casting a long shadow of uncertainty. What was once trusted as a discreet solution for birth control is now raising alarming questions about its hidden risks. Depo Provera, a well-known injectable contraceptive, contains medroxyprogesterone acetate, a synthetic form of progesterone. Administered as an intramuscular injection every 3 months, it prevents pregnancy by stopping ovulation, thickening cervical mucus to block sperm, and thinning the uterine lining. Its appeal has always been in its effectiveness, with over 99% success when used correctly, along with its long-lasting and discreet nature. Yet, emerging medical evidence has raised serious concerns, reshaping the way many people now look at this method of contraception. Recent studies have found that women using Depo Provera face a higher likelihood of developing meningiomas, benign but potentially serious brain tumors that form on the protective membranes surrounding the brain and spinal cord. These growths may lead to debilitating symptoms such as headaches, vision problems, seizures, or even cognitive decline. The risk appears to rise significantly with long-term use, particularly beyond 1 year, prompting concern among researchers and patients alike. Hormonal changes in the body can play a major role in how tumors grow, especially when they are hormone sensitive. Some brain tumors, like meningiomas, have receptors that respond to hormones such as estrogen or progesterone. Depo Provera, being a synthetic form of progesterone, may influence these cells and stimulate abnormal growth. Since hormones also regulate cell division and blood flow, prolonged exposure to synthetic hormones can create conditions that support tumor development or make existing tumors grow faster. A major U.S. study examining millions of insurance claims uncovered that women using Depo Provera had a 53% higher risk of being diagnosed with cerebral meningiomas compared to those who never used the drug. Even more concerning, the risk grew higher the longer women continued receiving the injections. Another U.S. study published in Expert Opinion on Drug Safety reported that use beyond a year raised the risk of brain tumors by 3.5 times when compared with women who used combined oral contraceptive pills. These statistics carry a human face. For Andrea Fawkes of Alabama, Depo Provera once felt like the ideal solution in the early 1990s. But years later, her life unraveled as unexplained headaches, dizziness, and tremors took hold. Eventually, doctors discovered a meningioma. Recalling that moment, Andrea said, "I knew within myself something was wrong." Today, she continues to endure radiation treatments while confronting the possibility of surgery, navigating both the physical toll and the emotional burden of her diagnosis. These revelations have triggered a wave of litigation across the United States. More than 550 cases have been consolidated in MDL litigation as women step forward to pursue justice through a Depo Provera brain tumor lawsuit. For many, the path begins with consulting a Depo Provera brain tumor lawyer or an experienced Depo Provera brain tumor attorney who can help evaluate whether their suffering may be connected to the drug's use. As more evidence of Depo Provera side effects comes to light, the legal and medical urgency surrounding these cases continues to grow. If you or a loved one have been diagnosed with a brain tumor after using Depo Provera, you may have legal options. Contact Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers today for a free and confidential consultation. Our team is dedicated to fighting for the justice you deserve and guiding you every step of the way in your Depo Provera brain tumor lawsuit.